What's up, family? It's your DMV Fat Boy. I know it's been a minute, but here we go. I'm gonna do a tasting of a cocktail mixed drink, a pre-mixed drink. Uh, was in a liquor store. Dude told me I'm from New Orleans, man. You'll love it. You'll be back for it. Uh, so we're gonna do tasting. Never had it before. It's bourbon. I'm not really never been a bourbon drinker, but we gonna try it. All right, this is Knobs Creek. Now it says on the rocks cocktail. It's old fashioned. Never had old fashioned before. But we're gonna see what it's hitting on. Like I said, I never had it. So let's check it out. Am I in the right place? Is this the right cocktail? All right, family, I got it on the rocks. Price point's about $11, $12. Ain't bad. I paid $11 for one drink before. Hell, I paid $11 for a shot. So, see what's hitting on. All right, here we go. My first tasting of Knobs Creek Premium Cocktail, the old fashioned. Like I said, I'm not a bourbon drinker. I'm not really a fan of it. Nah, I'm not a fan of this. Guy told me I would be back, but I'm not a bourbon drinker. But I tried it. If you get a chance, it's in your refrigerated section. It's Knobs Old Fashioned Cocktail. I'm not a fan, but hey, you may like it. Your DMV Fat Boy doing a tasting of a cocktail. Peace out. And no, I wasn't in the right place. It wasn't the right cocktail.